Hello, friends. My name is Erica, and today I'm here to share very important information about Vista Clear that you need to know if you are going to buy this product. First, I want to warn you about scams that are happening if you do not purchase on the official site. So to help you, I left here below in the description of the video the official website link, so you do not run the risk of buying counterfeit product. Vista Clear and how it works. Vista Clear contains a proprietary formula consisting of a group of antioxidants essential for vision, minerals, vitamins, and herbs, inspired by an ancient Aboriginal recipe. Numerous studies published in peer-reviewed medical journals have proven beyond a shadow of a doubt that unlike the standard American diet, the crucial nutrients and vitamins in the Aboriginal diet continually support your vision health. This unique formula is designed to help the healthy function of the retina, macula, lens, cornea, and optic nerve. Vista Clear is conveniently packed with over 26 essential antioxidants, rare cleansing herbs, health-specific vitamins, and grade A nutrients to help support your vision. Bacopa Monneri, Chamomile, lemon balm, skullcap, hawthorn, and St. John's wort, Ashwagandha, among other all-natural ingredients. The best results come when you take Vista Clear supplement consistently for 3 to 6 months to give your body time to absorb all the nutrients. Therefore, it is strongly recommended to take the full treatment of 3 or 6 bottles. Vista Clear has been standing out in the market because it has proven to be effective for the vast majority of people who take it. Really fantastic. But it is very important you know that you have to test this product to see if it will work for you, because every body works in a different way. If your experience is not 100% satisfactory, you can ask for a refund within 60 days of purchase. The nice thing is that your order arrives directly at your home in a period of 5 to 7 business days. It's very fast delivery. So that's it, friends. I hope it has helped. Remember that the official site is here in the description. Thanks. Bye.